Hello, InkSoft users. We're thrilled to introduce a new feature that gives you even more flexibility in managing your product designs on orders created in the InkSoft Designer. Today, I'll show you how to use the Add Design to Another Product feature, a powerful tool that streamlines your workflow and enhances the customer experience. Let's dive into the new feature, adding an existing design to another product. In the past, if a customer wanted the same design on a different product, you had to create a separate order. Now with this update, you can easily apply an existing design to a new product within an order without starting over. This not only saves time, but also improves efficiency, especially when dealing with last-minute changes or product availability issues. This new feature is part of our update for adding line items to InkSoft orders. The ability to apply an existing design to another product is especially useful when a customer decides they want the same design on a different product or if the original item is out of stock. To do this, select the design card and click Add to Another Product. This opens the catalog where you can select a new product. For example, if the customer originally ordered a t-shirt but now wants the same design on a crewneck sweatshirt, you can select the crewneck from the catalog. The design is automatically applied to the default print area of the new product. From here, you can enter the design studio where you can adjust the design, resize it, change colors, or reposition it as needed. When you're satisfied with the configuration, you can proceed by selecting the sizes and finalizing the design. After saving, both the original and new products will be included in the same order, with the purchasing and production sections updated accordingly. If you have your InkSoft stores linked to Printavo, this feature will be disabled if you convert the InkSoft order into a Printavo invoice. We hope this new feature enhances your operations and streamlines your workflow. Log into your InkSoft account today to give it a try. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help.